We remember at the round table. The circle is activated, and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being are arranged to recalibrate the origin of the Philosopher's Stone, that which aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form is expressed as Argon, the element with the symbol Ar, atomic number 18, belonging to the noble gases and present in Earth's atmosphere as a monatomic, colorless, odorless gas. This is the substance we bring into order. The 18th particle of the Philosopher's Stone presents itself as a principle of stability, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the Wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of Aries. From this throne, we observe Argon's first response when it comes into contact with other substances. Aries directs its gaze toward the initial impulse, yet encounters an element whose beginning does not consist of reacting immediately. Its first action is to preserve the order it has already attained. An Argon atom possesses 18 electrons, with a ground state electron configuration ending in 3s superscript 2 3p. Its outer electron shell is complete, so under ordinary conditions it does not show a significant tendency to gain, lose, or share electrons. Its first ionization energy is approximately 15.76 electronvolts, one of the highest among the elements in its period, expressing the energy required to remove one of its electrons. This structure explains its usual low chemical reactivity, although this does not mean that it is impossible to excite or ionize argon, or to induce it to form associations under extreme conditions. When observed from the Throne of Aries, Argon reveals that not every beginning requires an immediate reaction. There are impulses whose first task is to preserve the integrity of the system before initiating any exchange. Its stability does not represent an absence of energy, but rather an organization that remains intact until a force appears capable of overcoming the threshold required to transform it. Excalibur calibrates particle number 18 to distinguish initiative from automatic response. Argon teaches that beginning can also mean remaining intact in the face of that which seeks to modify one's state. True action does not arise from reacting to every stimulus, but from recognizing which force deserves to cross the threshold. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of your inner integrity and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. As you hold your gaze, the impulse is brought into order and the first face of the Philosopher's Stone is polished. Argon remains intact. The wheel continues its conscious turning. Thus, today we undertake this practice. Mind focus. Hold a single affirmation internally. I begin from my integrity, not from reaction. Allow the mind to remain firm, serene, and fully conscious before responding to any stimulus. Emotion. Cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle before you. Observe it silently for at least 3 complete breaths. Allow the flame to dissolve the emotions associated with impulsive reaction, the urgency to respond, irritation toward external stimuli, and the fear of remaining still while you recognize the right action. The emotion is brought into order through integrity. Action, integration into the body. Pour yourself a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am Argon, hold before I act. Repeat it 3 times, consciously. Drink the water slowly, integrating into your body the stability that precedes every action. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.